Welcome back, everybody. Orange Track Outlaws here. It is race night again, and as you can see, our bin of cars is just about empty. We have exactly 36 cars in this bin, so we have enough for one more race. I did have to add a couple fresh out of the packs to round out our 36, but I'll pull them all out here real quick, show them all to you, and then we'll line them up. So got the Havoline Stalker with the Ultra Hot Wheels. Got a Mustang. That looks to be a Nissan 370Z. There we got. There you go. Got a Plymouth Superbird right there. Lamborghini, Corvette, little Viper, got another Corvette. Look at this guy, the Hummer with the big old wheels. Those are shown to be pretty fast, some of these races. Let's try it. Got the McLaren. Look at that thing. That thing's pretty sweet. Oh, look at this guy. King Kenny. Anybody know anything about fast Hot Wheels? This is one of them. Okay. This car here is new. The Mastretta MXR. There we go. I think we got the Electrac. We got the Porsche. Ooh, we got the old Camaro, old metal. Ooh, this one looks fast. Gold, that's a Gazelle GT. Got ourselves another Mustang here. Looks like we got a Charger Daytona. Look at this one. Any of you guys watch YouTube videos on fastest Hot Wheels, you'll know this 2014 edition of the Clear Speeder is one of the fastest, supposedly. Just got this one not too long ago. I can't wait to race it. We're gonna find out how fast he is. Got a little Charger action there. Mustang. This one is a Hot Wheels 24/7. Oh, I got a Diesel Boy. We got ourselves an F1 racer. What we got here? Looks like a Mustang convertible. Got ourselves a little Hot Wheels stock car. But this guy, a little Ferrari action. Another Mustang, a little Viper, another Mustang. That looks like a GTR, I believe. Nissan GTR, yes sir. Got another Mustang. Got a little Camaro, old Camaro convertible. Looks like a Subaru, huh? Subaru Impreza. And lastly here, we got the Lotus Project. Alright guys, here's our cars. I'm gonna sort them up, line them up, and we're gonna race them. See who can win. See you in a minute. Okay, race one's up and ready. Lane 1, the 2013 Dodge Viper. Lane 2, we got the McLaren Senna. Lane 3, we got the Lamborghini Huracan. In lane 4, we got the 07 Mustang GT500. In lane 5, we got the 2011 Dodge Charger RT. In lane 6, we got the Mastretta MXR. Who we like here, guys? Who we like? I think I'm going to go with lane 1, the Dodge Viper. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Charger's out. Not by much. Charger wins. Charger's out. Not by much. Charger wins. Okay, race 2 is up and ready. In lane 1, we got the Corvette C6R. Lane 2, 98 Subaru Impreza. Lane 3, 2017 Nissan GTR. In lane 4, we got the 05 Mustang. In lane 5, we got the Dodge Charger Daytona. In lane 6, we got the Ferrari F430 Spider. Who's your money on? Who you like? I think I'm going to go with lane number 1, the Corvette C6R. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Mustang's out. Corvette come back? Nope, couldn't do it. Mustang gets it. Mustang's out. Corvette come back? Nope, couldn't do it. Mustang gets it. Okay, race 3 is up and ready. In lane 1, we got the Bel Air Gasser. In lane 2, we got the Dodge Viper SRT10. In lane 3, we got the 05 Mustang. In lane 4, we got the Gazella GT. In lane 5, we got the Havoline stock car. In lane 6, we got the Hummer H3. I don't know who to pick here. A couple videos ago, we had a real fast gasser. We just had a Mustang win. Gazelle GT's been fast. The Havoline stock car's all metal. Who are you going to go with? I think I'm going to go lane 4 with that gold looking Gazella GT. Let's race. Okay, race 3 up and ready. 3, 2, 1. Look at the Havoline car. Wow! Way out in front.
Winner, lane 5.
Look at the Havoline car. Wow!
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, we're halfway there. Race 4 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Plymouth Superbird. Lane 2, we got the Electrac. Lane 3, the 2015 Mustang. Lane 4, we got the 67 Mustang. Lane 5, we got the Diesel Boy. In lane 6, we got the Porsche 911 GT3. Who we like here? Who we like? I think I'm going to go lane 4 with the 67 Mustang. Just because I like them. But let's find out. Let's race. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Diesel Boy out. Oh, Mustang come back. Diesel Boy it is. Lane 5. Diesel Boy out. Oh, Mustang come back. Diesel Boy it is. Lane 5. Okay, race 5 up and ready. Lane 1, Corvette C7. Lane 2, we got the F1 Racer. Lane 3, the 67 Camaro. In lane 4, we got the 24/7. In lane 5, we got the Impala stock car. In lane 6, we got King Kenny. Who we like here? I don't know how you can go against King Kenny. That's my pick. Lane 6. Let's race. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Oh, King Kenny's got some. Wow! 24/7 beat him. Oh, King Kenny's got some. Wow! 24/7 beat him. Okay, race 6 is up and ready. Lane 1, got the Nissan 370Z. Lane 2, got the 67 Mustang GT500. In lane 3, we got the 69 Mustang GT500. In lane 4, we got the 07 Mustang. In lane 5, we got the Lotus Project M250. In lane 6, we have the Clear Speeder from 2014. I don't know about you guys, I've been waiting on this a long time. Been tracking that Clear Speeder for over a good year now. It's hard to find. Finally found one. It's kind of expensive, but I can't wait to see how fast this thing is. I'm hoping it's going to be one of the best. But my pick, lane 6. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that Clear Speeder's fast. Wow.
Winner, lane 6.
Wow, that Clear Speeder's fast. Wow.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, finals race up and ready. I'm excited for this one. Lane 1, the Haviline stock car. Lane 2, we got that 2014 Clear Speeder. Lane 3, we got the 07 Mustang GT500. Lane 4, we got the Diesel Boy. Lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels 24/7. And lane 6, we got the Dodge Charger RT. This should be a good one. I think lane 1 and 2 is going to be a nice race. That Haviline car was fast. Clear Speeder was fast too. Let's find out. I'm going lane 2. Let's race. Okay, finals race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a good race. Look at the Haviline car. Wow. Beat the Clear Speeder. Good race. Look at the Haviline car. Wow. Beat the Clear Speeder. Okay, our champ, Haviline stock car, is going to get his shot at our top 3. Lane 1, current champ, black Ferrari F40. Lane 2 is our current number 2, Lamborghini Stoke. In lane 5, we have our challenger, the Haviline stock car with the ultra Hot Wheels. In lane 6, we've got a Firebird funny car. What do you think? That Haviline's looking pretty quick. I'm thinking we might have a good challenger here. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, Haviline stock car versus the best. 3, 2, 1. Oh, looks good. Oh, that was a good race. Lane 2, Lamborghini takes it. Oh, looks good. Oh, that was a good race. Lane 2, Lamborghini takes it. Alright everybody, we had a fun night of racing. Our winner, the Haviline stock car, couldn't get it done. It was a real good race though, but we did come out with a new number one. The orange Lamborghini Stoke topped the F40 for tonight. So tonight he's sitting at the top of the list. Who knows when that might change, but that looks like it for our Bin of Cars challenge. It didn't look like any of our winners could crack at least the top two. I think we might have a possible change in third place here. We're definitely going to go back and race all our winners, and actually all of our race winners, and try to slot them up into our top 100. That might be another video. Maybe I'll show you my fastest 100 after I get them all sorted out. Maybe a video or two with some of those races, but we'll see. I'd like to thank you guys for watching another race with me. I have a lot more races planned. I got a couple more customs I'm getting started on. Please check out my other restorations and my customs and the 3 blind mice challenges and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.